In this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Vercel. To do this, first open up Vercel and go to Settings right here in the top menu. Now what you want to do here is just search for domain, and then under domains, click on the app you want to connect it to. For example, I'll use this one. Then here click Add Existing, since we already have a domain, and here type in the domain you want to connect. So that's the domain that you own on GoDaddy. For me, it's this one. Then I recommend turning on also redirecting to www if there is no www typed, because many people search for this and this is what it should lead to. From there, click on Save. Now it will get the DNS records. So if you don't see it yet, just click on Learn More right here and it then shows a DNS record. So this one is a type A with the name being @. For now, just go ahead and copy this value right here. Now open up GoDaddy, go to Domain in the left menu, and then open up the domain and click DNS. Now here click Add New Record, and remember we need to add an A record, name is @, and then for the value paste in what we copied and click Save. Now we need to add one more, which is the www, which is a C name. Again, copy the value right here, click Add New Record, select C name, type in www, paste in the value right there and click Save. After adding both of those records, it can then take up to 24 hours for everything to be connected, but right here you can refresh it and eventually it will say that it has been configured. So right here you can now see it goes to generating SSL certificate. Then we can also refresh this one. This one now actually needs some more records. So right here we can see 4 A records we need to still add. So all of these have name www, you can see the values here. So also going to add in all of those. Now right here for this one, I have a few too many www records, so I need to remove the conflicting ones. So I'll just go ahead and do that right now. So this one is now set up. If I go and click on this link, you can see it now takes me to this website and the domain is connected. So this is my Vercel project. Now right here the other one is not yet configured, so we still need to add this one, but I have already added it right here. As you can see, it just needs a little bit of time to actually fully connect, which again can take up to a few hours. But if you've added the one it says you need to add, then you did it correctly and you just have to wait for a little bit longer. But the www one is now already connected. So now you know how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Vercel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.